There's one. Oh, I got him. There's a gar right there. Oh, I got him. Oh, I got him. Whoa. Okay, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Hoelscher Fishing. Today, we're gonna be blowgun fishing for some gar in this creek right here. It got a pretty good rain from that hurricane. So, it's kind of flowing a little bit. Here's the darts I'm gonna be using right here. The fish hawk dart. If y'all wanna get a blowgun, just go to timwells.com, Slockmaster. It's a good blowgun. Just threw some rods out. There's a gar right there, but we're gonna go shoot some gar. There's one. Oh, I got him. Got him. Oh, he's taking drag. I got this one. Oh, look at that. Just reel him in. There he is. We're gonna clean this guy up and put him in the freezer. Look at that dart right there. It's a good one. Got him. Got a gar with the blowgun. Yep, there he is. Got him too. There's another one. I got him right there. Oh, did I get him? I missed him. Dang, that was a good shot though. It's close. That was a far one. It's huge. I got him. Oh, I got him. He's huge. I just shot him. Hold this, Dad. Hold this, hold this. Just shot a big one. Oh, that's a pretty good one. Actually not that bad size. Oh, I got him. Oh, I got him. Whoa. I'm recording. Oh, I got him. I shot him. He's a good one. Look at that. Right in the head. That's headshot. He's bleeding, bro. Look at all that. Bro, headshot. That was a good far shot. Okay, there's this gar. It's a lot of blood. I got him right there. Good headshot. Gar right there. Oh, I got him. Oh, got him right there. That was a far shot. That's the farthest one of today. Stuck right in his tail. That went all the way through him. That's a perfect shot. Dang. Skimmed him all the way through. Look at that. That was a good shot. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If y'all guys enjoyed that video, make sure to subscribe for more content. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.